I send you the money today, and then every 15 days I send you the money.
Okay. You
Okay?
can send him today 100, and after finishing 1 month, another 100. No problem.
Okay, no problem. Hello?
Yes. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Thank you very much to
It's
join
all
with us.
sure. It's only gonna be you, or you got other people?
Yeah, actually, me and also Akram Hussain. You already talked with him, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you.
They are owners also the company.
Okay,
How are
okay.
you doing, sir? How you doing?
Okay, okay. We're fine. And Selim, are you here?
Hi everybody.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hello everybody.
Yeah, সেলিম ভাই হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম, ভালো আছেন?
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। আপনি ভালো আছেন?
জি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। আপনি কোত্থেকে?
নারায়ণগঞ্জ।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
এটা কি আমার বাবার নামে?
জি জি।
মানে আমার সেলিম হচ্ছে আমার বাবার নাম, ঠিক আছে? তার নামে ফাইবার করতে। আর আমি হচ্ছে তার একদম।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। Yes. Hi guys. We can start our discussion, no problem.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So let me close this thing. Okay. So basically, we want to see what you guys can do with the YouTube channel and the for better coin and also for better dating.
Yes.
We have two YouTube channels. So we want to know because you guys know that we're not making any profit yet from this project. So we need to look for something where you guys get paid, but also, uh, I cannot pay right now, the retail value because I'm not making any money as of right now from this project.
Yes.
However, we want to bring people in, and we want to grow the YouTube channel. We want somebody who be managing that situation. So, what's the best offer that you guys can do for us?
Okay, no problem. If you want, we can help you to grow your channel according to your target if you give me the chance. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you can share your details. I mean, what's your targeted goal, targeted leads, targeted traffic, location, etc.
Well, ideally, it would be the people from the U.S. But first of all, we have the beta dating channel. I don't know if you can
Beta
see it
dating.
on the screen.
Yes.
So we, as of right now, this channel only have 2 subscribers.
Yes.
So we want to increase that, and
Yes.
once the channel grow to 1,000 subscribers, then I can give you the flyers that you guys can post. And you guys can post those flyers
Yes.
that is going to be needed. Then the second one that I need you guys to take care of it is gonna be the. But I don't have any video, but we do have a lot of plenty posted, but we want to grow that that channel, and we want to make it grow. We want to have more audience, and become bigger in that way.
Okay, okay.
So we need to market the channel, get it big. This channel, the good thing about this channel, because it has already certain amount of posting, eh, I cannot do it from this device, but from other device, I'm able to post certain pictures and calendar, and I can give you those calendar to do it. But those are the two channels that I can give you the access to manage those channel
Yes.
for us. The person also who got in. But those basically, that's what we need so far.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Those two channels, and however, we need to start a very low budget. What's the best price that you can give us that we can pay monthly or either bi-weekly or every month. but something that is feasible for us, because we are not making money right now.
Okay, no problem. I understand. Uh, any business, if you want to make a business or launch a business, first time need to invest time, money, and also another thing. Okay, first time
Mhm.
any business don't give you any benefit in the beginning time. Okay, you have to wait to get benefit, to get revenue from your business, and if you can lead your business properly and professionally, so that you will get your targeted revenue and also targeted success as soon as possible. Need a professional marketer to grow your business, okay, according to your targeted requirements. Okay, so if you want, we can help you to grow your YouTube channel according to your target. Can I explain you how can we help you and grow your
Yeah,
channel?
sure.
Okay, no problem.
Sure. You want me to make a presenter so you can share the screen, or that's good?
Yeah, I want to say something from me.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
actually, as a YouTube expert, we can grow any channel by using two ways. Okay, first of all, organic, I mean free promotion, and second is video ads campaign, I mean video boost. Okay, if your target is worldwide and you do not have any specific leads, you can grow your channel by organically. Okay, so that anyone can subscribe your channel, anyone can like, comments and views. But if you want to get your targeted and specific leads from a targeted location, targeted ads, okay, targeted, I mean gender, male and female. Okay, so you have to run ads to get your targeted and specific leads. Okay, so you can share your opinion. What kind of work do you want from us?
I think it's better to do organically, right? Organically, and a little bit of the organically done for the advertiser. Uh, then I had to actually do a SEO campaign.
Beginning time, you don't have any budget, big budget for run ads. I know, right? Because
Yeah.
we know everything. Okay, so no problem. We can start by organically. Okay, to achieve our targeted leads. Okay, we can try hard and soul. So we can start at first organically, and we can see how it is going. Okay.
Okay. And
Yes.
how much it will be the price every 2 weeks for these serves?
Every 2 weeks. I mean 15 days.
Uh, I mean, what works best? Every 2 weeks or every week?
Yeah,
Every week.
actually.
Let's put every week.
Okay, so in the beginning time, actually we are working for our another client weekly $100, but you are our partner and your business is beginning time, so no problem, we can consider for you. We can make it half, I mean 50 for a week. Okay, let's see, for 1 month, I mean $200. After 1 month completing, we will send you the analytics and also send you the backend analytics report on your channel. Okay, after finishing 1 month, we will join another meeting and we will also discuss how can we proceed for in future. Okay.
Okay. And we can have 1 month meeting. Okay. I like this.
Yes, and we will
Uh,
update you. Yeah, we will update you by messenger or also email, no problem. And if you have time, we can get meeting for after 2 weeks, no problem, we will give you the time. And
okay.
our first priority is client satisfaction. We know if we make a good relation and our business, if our business will grow, we will get more and more opportunity to work with you, and it would be the ongoing process. Everybody knows that business not a short time, it gonna long time.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what we're gonna do is
Yes.
let's
Yeah,
start with
Selim will, yeah, Selim will send you a mail and you have to make him as a manager. Okay.
okay.
Yes.
Yes.
And yes,
Yes.
and for
And
we can, yeah.
I will send the payment through PayPal.
Yes,
Okay.
okay, PayPal, no problem. We can deal by 1 month. You can send him $200 by PayPal, okay, for 1 month. Okay, no problem. At first,
That's okay,
Yes,
Alessandro?
yes, that's
yeah,
fine.
yeah. At first,
Fine.
you can pay him 100, and after finishing 1 month, another 100. No problem. Half and half.
Okay. Okay.
Comfortable for you?
Yeah, come to for me.
All guys are enjoying our meeting.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
So the answer is yes.
everybody's time here.
Yes, thank you very much to join with us, and also thanks for give us the opportunity to working with you. We are very pleasure and really appreciate to working with you. Okay,
Okay, thank
and
you.
hope it will be the ongoing process, and also we will make a good relation.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Very nice.
So MD Selim will send you a mail to make him as a manager, and also he will send you a PayPal.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
So we'll
thank you.
start today.
Okay.
I mean, today we start, right?
Okay.
You're gonna send me the information, and then I send you the money today, and then every 15 days I send you the money.
Okay.
Okay.
You can send him today 100, and after finishing 1 month, another 100. No problem.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you very much. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, guys. take
Nice
care.
to meet you all, guys.
Nice to meet
Yes.
you.
Nice meeting
Nice
you.
to meet
Okay.
everybody. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Nice to meet everybody.
Beba, ¿tú quieres decir algo?
No, I'm fine. I hear everything and
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm
Okay.
good. I'm
Okay.
working too.
Nice to meet you
Yeah.
also.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.